empowering. And I know I'm going to get a lot of comments from people that say, absolutely not. You have to tell someone that what they're doing is wrong and they can't do this or whatever. And to some extent, yes, we always have to be standing up for ourselves, but we have to get to a place where we don't have this need to try and change this person and this need to expose this person for who we think they are, and this need for this person to really want to change their behavior. So that's something that's really healthy for you to accept. And something that I know for me personally, when I get to the point where I realize it's not my job to change anyone. It's not my job for someone to realize that their behavior is completely irrational, unhealthy, ridiculous. It made me feel really at peace because I didn't waste time and energy thinking about, well, how am I going to tell this person